just wanted to drop a quick video to show you guys this super dope bagged 80s era 4Runner. Most of the time when you see these, they're set up for off-road, but I just thought this was a super cool ride. I did get to talk to the owner and I got some video of it in action, so let's get to it. I'll let you see what it looks like. These new airbag systems have come so far. This system was literally set up through an app, so he controlled the airbags through an app, got it to raise up and everything straight on his phone. I thought that was pretty cool, and it's a little touch of new school with an old school SUV. I just thought this was a super dope ride. I figured you guys would want to check it out, so I threw a quick video together. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you like stuff like this, let me know and I will put more videos up of custom cars, even if they don't have car audio in them.